Lakshya, and today let's start with our discussion. So let us first discuss about our class 10th maths board exam paper that which has happened in 2023. Okay, so here guys, here comes our questions where you have three sections. Let us first talk about the first section. Okay, section 1. So in this first section, you have the very first question in the first section is find the centroid of triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 4, 7 and 2, minus 4. Okay, find the centroid. They are asking to find out the centroid of triangle whose vertices are this 2, 3, minus 4, 7 and 2, minus 4 guys. Okay, ikkada వీళ్ళు ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే మనకి ఒక అంటే 3 వర్టిసెస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ కి మనకి తెలిసి కదా వర్టిసెస్ అంటే ఏంటిది, ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇఫ్ యు హావ్ a square, so what is the vertices? The points, okay, the corner points. ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 vertices we have. Okay, if I talk about the square, no, if I talk about the triangle 1 2 3, we have how many vertices? We have 3 vertices. So this is nothing but vertices. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనకి vertices ఇచ్చారు. What are the vertices? 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 4, 7 and 2, minus 4 are the vertices for the given triangle. So they are asking to find out the centroid. They are asking to find out the centroid. Firstly, let us know what is centroid. Centroid, what is centroid? So let me draw this our beautiful diagram. What is this? A triangle. Okay, so let us draw the triangle over here. So we have how many vertices? We have 1 2 3 vertices we have. Okay, how many vertices we have? 3. Okay, now the first vertex, so let it be A, let this point be B and let this point be C. Okay, A, B, C. We have how many points? We have A, B, C. Let this point be A, let this point be B and let this point be C. Now centroid, what is centroid? Before learning the centroid, okay, before going into the centroid, firstly let us know what is the median. What is the median? Median is a line which is drawn from the vertices to the midpoint of the other line. Okay, I will be explaining this. Median is a line when we draw. So this is the vertices as we know. When we draw a line, a straight line from the vertices to the midpoint of the opposite line is known as a median. Okay, ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఒక లైన్ ని vertices నుంచి మిడ్ పాయింట్ అంటే మిడిల్ పాయింట్ వర్టిసెస్ నుంచి వర్టిసెస్ యొక్క అంటే దీని యొక్క ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న లైన్ కి మిడిల్ పాయింట్ కి ఎప్పుడైతే మనం కనెక్ట్ చేస్తామో అంటే వర్టిసెస్ నుంచి దీని యొక్క వర్టిసెస్ నుంచి మిడిల్ పాయింట్ కి కనెక్ట్ చేసే ఈ లైన్ ని మనం ఏమంటాం? మీడియన్ అని పిలుస్తాం. ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? వాట్ డు వి కాల్? మీడియన్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ హావ్ vertices A. When we connect this vertices A to the midpoint of the other line, when we connect the vertices A to the midpoint of the other line, midpoint of this other line, so the midpoint, I mean middle point, so this is the line, so the middle point of this line is this. Okay, let this be the middle point of this line be this. Okay, so here we should connect the vertices to the midpoint of the other line. Clear? This is known as median. Clear what is median? Median is nothing but when we connect the vertices to the midpoint of the opposite line from the median, from the vertices is known as median. Okay, ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఈ vertices కన్నా the midpoint of the line, when we connect the line from the vertices to the midpoint of the line is known as what? Median. Clear? దీని median అంటే. So ఇక్కడ then what is the centroid? We got to know what is median. We know that what is median. We understood, we learned what is median, and now let's know what is centroid. What is centroid? So what will be the centroid? When all the 3 medians, when the medians, the intersection point of these medians is known as what? Is known as what? The intersection of this median is known as what? Centroid. Centroid. Okay, the intersection of this given median is known as what? Centroid. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ 3 మీడియన్స్ అనేది ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుందంటే, ఇక్కడ ఇది కదా పాయింట్, ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ 3 మీడియన్స్ ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయితే దాన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? we call that as centroid. Okay, so let this be A, vertices of A, and let this be vertices of B, and let this be vertices of C. So A, let it be AB 2, 3. A is equals 2, 3. B is equals minus 4, 7. C is equals 2, minus 4. Clear? A is equals 2, 3. B is equals minus 4, 7. And C is equals 2, minus 4. Clear? Hope you got it. And now we must find out the centroid for the given vertices. And the centroid అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పినట్లయితే A అనేది ఒక vertices గైస్. vertices కి ఏంటిది మనకి x వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది, y వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. ఇది x యాక్సిస్. ఈ పాయింట్ అనేది x యాక్సిస్ మీద ఉంది. 2 అనేది x యాక్సిస్ మీద ఉంది. 3 అనేది y యాక్సిస్ మీద ఉంది. మనకి ఇది తెలుసు. vertices అంటే ఇప్పుడు A అనేది నేను ఎట్లా రాస్తే x, y. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంటర్లోకి వస్తే లోకస్ చదివేటప్పుడు మనకి x, y వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో మనం x, y అనేది ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర, ఒక vertices దగ్గర మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం, where this vertices is in the form of like x, y points అని. ఓకే, సో here 2, 3 are the points of A, minus 4, 7 are points of B. ఓకే, 2, minus 4 are points of C, as well as ఈ centroid కూడా ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో centroids కూడా ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. సో దాన్ని మనం x, y కింద కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుందాం. బిఫోర్ కన్సిడరింగ్ దిస్ we are having a formula for the centroid. centroid ని కనిపెట్టడానికి మనకి ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది. ఓకే, we'll be having a formula to find out the centroid. So what is the formula? Let's see. Okay, firstly, to solve this given question, let us consider this centroid as G. Okay, centroid is equals G. I would like to represent centroid with G. G for grapes. G for Goa. Okay, so let us consider centroid as G. So where G is equals what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, clear? So where G is equals to what? G means what? Centroid. Okay, we have considered G as centroid, where G is equals x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Very good. Now let us consider this as x1, y1. Let this be x2, y2. Let this be x3, y3. Okay. దీన్ని మనం x1, y1, దీన్ని మనం x2, y2, దీన్ని మనం x3, y3 కింద మనం కన్సిడర్ చేసుకున్నాం. So here x1 value is what? 2 plus, just make a look over here, just make a look, just write down the values. So here x1 value is 2, so that's what I have written 2. Okay, next x2 value is what? Minus 4, plus of minus 4. Okay, plus x3 value is what? 2 by 3, comma, y1 value is what? 3 plus y2 value is what? 7. y3 value is what? Minus 4. We got minus 4, right? So plus of minus 4. Clear? Plus of minus 4 by 3. This is x1 value, y1, x1, this is x1 value, this is x2 value, this is x3 value. From the given questions, okay, from the given points of vertices. x3 value, x3 value. y3 value, y3 value. y2 value, y2 value. Okay, y1 value, y1 value. So that's what I have written. Clear? Okay. Now let's go for the next one here. Just make a look here where the calculation, solving the problem is very good task. Okay, compared to applying the formula is good, but when you try to solve it, so there will be finding more mistakes. Like, well, if you have a very small mistake, every sum khatam, bye bye, tata. Okay, like that. So let it be. Okay, here you have 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, how much? 4. Okay, 4 plus 4. Okay, plus 4 minus 4, plus 4 minus 4 cancel. This becomes what? 0. So that's what I would like to write here. 0 by 3, comma. Here you have 3 plus 7, how much? 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Right? 10 minus 4, 6, right? So 6 upon 3, or 6 by 3. 0 by 3 is always what? 0 by 3 is always 0, comma. 6 by 3, 6 by 3, 2. This becomes 0, 2. Okay. So therefore the centroid is equals to what? Or else I can say G is equals 0, 6. Okay. So let this be x and this be y value. Okay. So let it be. But here the centroid formula we got. What is the centroid we got? I mean this point. Okay, the vertices for this centroid, this center point is what? 0, 6. Is this clear? The center point for this given point. Okay, the centroid for the value of centroid. Okay, or the vertices of centroid for this given point is what? 0, 6. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Let me just check this. Okay, let it be. So nothing but here guys, just add the formula. Formula రాయండి అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా ఏముంది? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. ఈ ఫార్ములా యాడ్ చేసుకొని కొన్ని మనకి ఆల్రెడీ 3 వర్టిసెస్ అతను క్వశ్చన్లో మనకి ఆల్రెడీ ముందే మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాయి 3 వర్టిసెస్. సో మనకి ఓన్లీ ఫార్ములా రాసుకొని ఆ ఫార్ములాలో ఇచ్చిన ఈ వాల్యూస్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకొని మనకి చేసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? ఒక వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఆ వాల్యూని మనం ఏమంటాం? సెంట్రాయిడ్ అని పిలుస్తాం. ఓకే, క్లియర్? నౌ లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ద సెకండ్ వన్. ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్, ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్రాబబిలిటీ మీద ఇచ్చింది. ఫైండ్ ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ a oval which is chosen randomly from the word innovation. So let me write down here. Find the probability of getting what? Oval or consonant? Of getting oval. Oval. Find the probability of getting oval which is chosen randomly. Let it be which, or let it be chosen randomly from word innovation. So they have given a word called innovation. This is I, okay, this is I. Innovation. So this is the given word, innovation. Now they are asking to find the probability of getting an oval, or okay, probability of getting an oval chosen randomly from the word innovation. Now we must find the probability where a number of outcomes by total number of outcomes, right? We know some kind of that formula. Some formula will be getting this, okay, where probability is only having only one formula, guys. Okay, probability having only one formula. Now find the probability of getting oval. Firstly, let us find out how many vowels we have in the English alphabets. How many vowels we have in the English alphabets? We have 5 vowels. Okay, we have 5 vowels in the English alphabets. And what are those vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in the English alphabet. So therefore you will be having 5 vowels in the English alphabets. And how many consonants we have? Okay, apart from vowels, each and every alphabet is nothing but the consonants. Okay, so maybe we may have 21 consonants. Okay, so we have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Apart from A, E, I, O, U, all the letters in the English alphabet is consonant. Okay. Now first let us find how many vowels are there in this given word. Okay, ikkada em adigindu, find the probability of getting oval. Oval yokka find the probability. Manaki em kavali? Probability of oval yokka probability kavali. Endulo chosen randomly from the word innovation ane word lo nunchi maniki oval words ఉంటాయి కదా. So here you have a word. So this is the word. So ఈ word లో నుంచి మనకి probability of getting oval అనేది కావాలి. Oval letters. Okay. So let us find out here. What are the vowels present in this given word? Okay. The question is here. What are the vowels present in this given word? ఇందులో ఏమి vowels ఉన్నాయి? Just చూడండి, సెర్చ్ చేయండి. I, ఇది ఒక vowel sound, right? I ఉంది, ఇందులో O ఉంది, I ఉంది, A ఉంది, O ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇవి మనకి ఓవెల్స్ కదా, ఇవి మనకి వచ్చిన ఓవెల్స్. జస్ట్ కౌంట్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడే మనకి ఇందులో ఎన్ని ఓవెల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కౌంట్ చేయండి. హౌ మెనీ ఓవెల్స్ వీ హ్యావ్? 5 ఓవెల్స్. 5 5 vowels. Don't get confused that here you are having 5 vowels. I'm not talking about these vowels, okay? Yeah, we are not talking about these vowels, but 5 vowels means here you have 1, okay? This is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, okay? So that's what in this given word. In this given word, how many vowels we have? Ichina ee aksharamlo, ichina ee word lo maniki enni vowels unnayani ikkada adugutundu. Enni vowels unna maniki 5 vowels unnai. Okay, next. అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ దాకా how many vowels we have? 5 vowels from this given word. Okay, and next, how many letters we have? Total number of letters. ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఈ వర్డ్ లో? గైస్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి. ఇచ్చిన ఈ వర్డ్ లో ఎన్ని వోవెల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఇచ్చిన ఈ వర్డ్ లో ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1, I అనేది 1, N అనేది 2, N అనేది 3, O అనేది 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. సో మనకి 10 వర్డ్స్ అంటే 10 లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇచ్చిన ఈ వర్డ్ ఇన్నోవేషన్. ఓకే, సో ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ vowel is equals to number of vowels upon total number of vowels upon total number of letters. Okay, so number of vowels మనకి ఎన్ని vowels ఉన్నాయి? 5 ఉన్నాయి. 5 upon total number of letters ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 10 ఉన్నాయి. So that's what 10. Clear? 5 times 1, 5 times 2, this gives half. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. If you wanted to extend this, you can extend. If not, if you want to extend this, you can extend. If not, just keep that aside. Okay, I hope you got it. Just nothing but applying the formula. The formula is number of vowels or number of vowels upon total number of letters. How many number of letters we have in this given word, and what is the probability of getting vowel. So therefore here I can say the probability of getting an vowel chosen randomly from the word innovation is 0.5. Okay, clear? Now here we are having the next question, a very interesting question and very important question. Conversions, guys. Express tan theta in terms of sin theta. This is the question. The given question is what? Okay. Express tan theta in terms of sin theta. I would like to just tell you guys one thing, that ikkada meeru just pause the video, try to do this question and then you on the video, because this is some kind of easy question and a very good question actually. Okay, now let's start with this. Here we'll express tan theta in terms of sin theta. Express tan theta in terms of what? Sin theta. Where we know that, so that's what I'm writing WKT. You don't write this type of shortcuts in your exam, but now I'm writing this. Okay, so we know that tan theta, what do we know? Tan theta is equals sin theta by cos theta. We know this, right? What do we know? We know tan theta is equals sin theta by cos theta. We know tan theta is equals sin theta by cos theta. They are asking to express tan theta in terms of sin theta. Now here the numerator is in the terms of sin theta, but here the denominator is not in the terms of sin theta, where the denominator is in cos theta. Okay, so I need to change this cos theta into sin theta in the denominator form. That's the only process, the only method that we are going to just think to change this tan theta in terms of sin theta. Clear? I will again explain you. We know that tan theta is equal sin theta by cos theta. We know this, right? We know that what? Tan theta is equal sin theta by cos theta. And now here where sin theta, where in the numerator place we got sin theta, but in the denominator place we should turn this sin theta, we should not turn this cos theta into sin theta. I will be showing this. You will be having an identity where sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? What is this? What is the value that we got? Very good. As when we are very still young, that born babies also know this. Right? Freshly born babies, newly born babies. Okay, we are learning this. I hope I have learned this identity since my 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay, like that all the class, say from 8th class I started learning this, where sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let it be, okay? So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? 1. We know this identity, trigonometric identity, right? Now, ఇక్కడ దాకా అయితే వచ్చింది where sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పాలనుకుంది ఏంటంటే guys, ఇక్కడ మనకి న్యూమరేటర్ లో sin theta ఉంది, డినామినేటర్ లో cos theta ఉంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగిండు? మనం ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. ఏం ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి? tan theta ని sin theta కింద మనం ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ లో నాకు ఆల్రెడీ sin theta ఉంది, డినామినేటర్ లో cos theta ఉంది. కానీ డినామినేటర్ లో నాకు ఏం కావాలి? sin theta. డినామినేటర్ నాకు ఏం కావాలి? sin theta కావాలి. అప్పుడే వీడు అడిగినట్లు నేను tan theta ని sin theta లోకి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసినట్టు అర్థం. ఓకే, క్లియర్ అయితే now here where sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now cos square theta is equals 1 minus sin square theta. So transpose this sin square theta to the other side. This becomes minus. Here plus sin square theta, by transposing becomes minus sin square theta. Clear? Very good. Now transpose this square to the other side. If you transpose square to the other side, this becomes what? Root. Okay, square becomes root 1 minus sin square theta. So we got what? Just make a look. We got cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, we got cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. So here I can say that tan theta is equals tan theta is equals sin theta upon tan is equals to sin theta by root of 1 minus sin square theta. Why I have written 1 minus sin square theta? Because here we have shown where cos theta is equals 1 minus sin square theta, or where root of 1 minus sin square theta is equals cos theta. Both are same. So instead of cos theta, I have placed 1 minus sin square theta to express tan theta in terms of sin theta. Okay. ఇక్కడ మనకి cos theta ఉంది, cos theta and sin theta రాయాలంటే మనకి ఐడెంటిటీ తెలుసు. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 అని. సో ఇప్పుడు sin square theta నేను అటు పక్క తీసుకోపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? మైనస్ sin square theta అవుతుంది. సో 1 మైనస్ sin square theta. ఇక్కడ అయితే ఇక్కడ మనకి cos square ఇంకా అది అట్లనే రిమైన్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ అటు పక్క తీసుకోపోతే మనకి రూట్ అవుతుంది. cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus. Very good. So tan theta is equals sin theta by root of 1 minus sin square theta. Clear? Hope you got it. Next, clear? What is the next question? An observer standing with the distance of okay guys, we have a long question. Question is long but the answer is very short in this given case. Question is we are having a big question but the answer is very small. Here then I hope this question is from applications of trigonometry. This question is from application of trigonometry, but they are not asking for the value or to solve the entire question, but they are asking to show the diagram, suitable diagram for that given suitable situation. Okay, so the situation is, I am going to read it here. Standing at a distance, so observer standing at distance 10 meters from, far from the tower. Next word is 10 meter at 10 meter distance from the tower. From the foot of the tower, observes his stop. So this guy observes, or he observes from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower, observes his top with an angle of elevation. observer observes its angle of elevation angle of elevation how much? 60 degrees. Okay, now we must draw the suitable diagram. Very good. So now draw the suitable diagram for this given situation they are asking. Okay, so guys, just read out the question. Observer standing at distance 10 meters from the tower. From the foot of the tower, the observer observes its angle of elevation 60 degrees. Nothing guys here. First I will explain this, then afterwards you can draw this. Okay, observer is standing at a distance 10 meters from the tower. Okay, observer and Kabanishi. Okay, where observer is standing 10 meters from the tower. Let this be tower. Okay, దీన్ని మనం tower అని assume చేసుకోండి. Okay, okay, consider this is a tower, so let this be tower. Okay, and observer standing at distance 10 meters. Okay, so this observer is standing at distance 10 meters from this tower. So this is the point, or let this be the observer. Okay, let this be the observer. Smile. Okay, let this be the observer. So this observer standing at a distance 10 meters. So from the observer, okay, the distance between from the observer to the tower is what? 10 meters of distance we are having. Okay, now from the foot of the tower, observer, what is the from the foot of the tower, observer, from the top of the foot of the tower, observer, from the foot of the tower observes its angle of elevation 60 degrees. So this observer observes the top of the tower from the foot of the tower. So this is the foot of the tower, guys. Okay, this is the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower, this observer observes its angle of elevation, I mean top of the tower, at 60 degrees. At 60 degrees. So therefore here comes the angle of elevation 60 degrees. Okay, now they are asking nothing but draw suitable diagram. Okay, draw. They are asking nothing but to draw the suitable diagram. They are not asking to find out the tower value or the hypotenuse or etc. So they are just asking to find or to draw the diagram. So here the diagram is what? This will be the suitable diagram for this given case. Clear? I will explain this again. Okay, I will explain this again. So here this is the given question, guys. Observer, oka manishi ikkada ninchundu. Okay, an observer standing here. Observer kanu tower ki 10 meters varaku distance undi. Aithe ee observer ground level lo undi, ante ground level lo ante foot of the tower దగ్గర undi, ina top of the tower దగ్గర angle of elevation toti ina paina ante tower top ki itla observe chestundo. Okay, he is observing like this from standing at the foot of the tower. He is observing right over there. So then the angle of elevation, okay, so this is the angle of elevation formed between the tower, foot of the tower, and this top will be, I mean here the angle of elevation might be 60 degrees, or here I can say itla geesdamanu. Okay, so this will be the observer. Okay, this will be the observer is 60 degrees. So therefore this is the suitable diagram for this given question. Clear? Very good. Now let's go for the next one. Next one is nothing but the hypotenuse. We know this, right? We know the triangle formula, right angle to triangle formula. What is right angle triangle? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So next one, it depends